tool. Yes. Strip insert tool. We need to use 3.5 tensile to repair this hole. Just tear one piece at all. Yes, it's very soft and there are many glue on the tensile. Can you see? Yes. Then feed it through the eye of strip insertion tool. Just feed it halfway through. Yes, sorry. Then also you need to apply some glue on the tensile. If you don't have glue, our tensile is okay because our tensile is made of 30% build rubber and cotton thread. If you don't have glue, our tensile can repair or emergency is okay. And then put it in.
我换个位置啊，我站那边，好用力。